welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a get ready with me using like new makeup products, or at least like either new releases or like new to me. So let's go ahead and get right into the video and see what products I used to get this look. And I also got this hat off of Amazon. It was like $8, though it's like really cute. I like it and it keeps me, it's pretty thick, it's pretty warm. If you're new here, I'm Nicole Sierra. I would love for you to join our family and subscribe to my channel. Also, if you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And also don't forget to hit the little like bell notification just so like you're notified when I post. It's not like you have to watch it right away or anything, but just so like you don't forget. So yeah, if you're interested in seeing what I used to get this look, go ahead and keep on watching. Okay, so I'm going to be taking the Jaclyn Hill, this one's the Armed and Gorgeous palette. My brother actually got me this one for Christmas, so that was really cute. I'm going to go into this shade right here called Access. I'm going to put that into my crease, but it's like a buildable shade. It doesn't give me a lot of pigment like right off the bat, but like as you can tell, it's getting deeper and deeper the more like I pack it on, which blending really nice too. So like it's not like patchy, how there was like a lot of controversy around this palette in this release. I feel like the formula is fine. So I wanted to do just like a more simple monochromatic-ish look. So I just put that shade all over the eyes. And I'm going to take this really pretty like gold shape all over the lid. I'm just going to use my fingers. Sometimes I like to take my time and do like really intricate looks. And by that I mean like having really precise lines and cut creases. And being a little more, I guess you can say, creative. Personally, my style, I like to do things the quicker the better, like the faster, but also looking like I tried. So I'm just going for something a little more simple. I'm gonna go ahead and blend and then fix it up a little bit, but I do really like the matte shade that I used all over. So the eyes are done and I just kind of added a more like thicker, exaggerative wing, and I kind of like it. Next one I'm gonna be using, I'm super excited for, is the L'Oreal Infallible 24-Hour Fresh Wear Foundation, and I recently got this from Walgreens. I haven't used it yet. I also got this new Beauty Blender. I haven't used Beauty Blender in a long time because I think my dogs ate my last one. I refused to buy a new one, but my brother Nicholas got me this for Christmas too. So I finally get to use it. It's been a while. I just felt like it's so expensive. I didn't want to touch it. So I'm in the shade for the foundation 425, and this is, I think, Linen, the name of it. And again, like I'm neutral undertone, so I try to get close to neutral as possible. If not, I'll lean a little more yellow. But I'm gonna go ahead and apply this to my face, and then I'm gonna blend this out with the Beauty Blender. Beauty Blender. What was that? No. Holy beep. This foundation is super like watery. It's not thick at all. Okay, I'm gonna blend it. So right off the bat, if you were to use this foundation, I would suggest doing one side of your face first before the other side dries down. Not that it's like impossible to blend out. It's just like I think would be easier to do it that way so you're not like struggling. I would say this is giving me medium coverage right now with the one layer, so I'm gonna go ahead and put another layer on to see how it builds. Ah! As for the Beauty Blender, I forgot how much product this sucks up. It does give it a pretty finish. The amount of product that it literally just like sucks up and into the sponge is ridiculous. So for the foundation, you can tell like it's when you layer it, it's really good coverage. So on the bottle it says it's supposed to be breathable, buildable coverage, and up to 24 fresh complexion. 24 hours fresh complexion. It is super light. Like I can barely tell that it's on my face. Run and get this at the drugstore. This is one of the best drugstore foundations that I have in my collection. So yeah, there's that. Love it. Perfect. So next I'm going to be going in with the new Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Concealer. I have tried this concealer out a few times, so I already have like my thoughts on it, but I will go ahead and show you guys what it looks like on, and I'll let you know what my thoughts are on it. I personally love the packaging. I think it's so cute how it looks just like the Pro Filter foundation. It's like a baby version. I'm gonna go in with the Fenty Beauty the Pro Filter powder, and this is in the shade Butter. I love the packaging on this as well. I love the shape, and it's just like super thick plastic around here that makes it look like really luxurious, except The only thing I don't like is that you see that there's a big pile of like powder. One thing I will say is that at first the scent on this powder is like super strong, and although I'm pretty dry, like this powder is like extremely matte. I love the way that it kind of blurs out right here. It keeps it lasting throughout the day, the foundation and the concealer. I like the powder more than the concealer. Next, I don't really have any new bronzers, so this is just one I haven't used in a while. This is the NARS Laguna bronzer, and this bronzer has like shimmer in it, but sometimes I like to use this one when I'm looking for something that's a little shimmery. My forehead. So next for blush, I'm going to be using this Laura Geller Baked Blush and Brighten in the shade Honeysuckle. It's like a pretty mixture of like pink with like bronzy tones in it. Next for highlight, I'm going to take the Wet n Wild I'm So Lit in their loose highlight. So off camera I put on mascara, which was the Lash Princess from Essence. And I also put on the Kylie liquid lipstick in the shade Dolce K with the liner that went with it. And then on top I put on the Fenty Gloss Bomb, which is the original shade that they first came out with. So that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this look using some new makeup products that I had. And I really liked how some of these makeup products performed, and I really like the look overall put together. My favorite part has to honestly be the highlight and the lip combo. I've been loving this Dolce K Kylie liquid lipstick. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, give it a thumbs up and go ahead and feel free to leave me some comments. I love when you guys comment. It really makes my day. And don't forget to hit subscribe if you're not subscribed already. And I'll see you guys in the next video. My lips look good when they're not chapped.